Hi, I'm Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice. And today we are practicing I am, be verb, first person singular. Yes, one more time. Today we are practicing I am. Yes, I am. And let's see, we use I am to express ourselves to another person or a group. That is, we use I am to express ourselves to another person or a group, all right? And then we use to express who we are, what we do, our state of feeling, where we are, and our plans, all right? And today's plan, okay, talking about plans, our lesson plan today is part 1, introduce the video. That's what I'm doing now. I am introducing you to the video you are about to watch. Part 2, watch the video. Yes, we will watch the video together. And then part 3, we will shadow the video. That is the language, the vocabulary, the sentences, we will shadow those, all right? So you're getting a lot of practice today. Yes, we are going to talk about I am, which we just did, right? We use I am to express ourselves to another person or group. For example, who we are, what we do, our state of feeling, where we are, our plans, yes? And next, we're going to watch the video. Then we will shadow these cards, which are in the video, all right? Okay, good. All right, so let's watch the video. Okay, great. Let's watch it together. I am. I am Larry. I am Sam. I am happy to meet you. I am living in New York. I am living in Paris. I am having breakfast. I am having breakfast too. I am going to the park. I am going hiking. I am listening to music. I am reading a book. I am cleaning. I am watching TV. I am running. I am skating. I am making drinks. I am making dinner. Extension. I am mad. I am sad. I am glad. I am here. I am there. I am over here. I am playing. I am singing. I am relaxing. I am shopping. I am talking. I am mopping. Okay, we are back. How did you like it? You liked it? Yeah? Okay, good. You enjoyed the video? Oh, fantastic. I'm happy to hear that. Okay, great. Now it's time for part 3, shadowing practice. Shadowing is when you speak at the same time as I do. You do not repeat after me. You speak at the same time as I do. Input, output. You're speaking at the same time as I am. So you're listening and speaking at the same time, right? So input, output, input, output. It's a challenge, but that's why you came, right? You came for a challenge. Okay, great. So there'll be 3 steps. Step 1, we will shadow each card 3 times. But you will not see the card. You will not see the sentence. You will not see the picture. So it's a little difficult the first round. However, in the second round, we will shadow the cards each again, but I will show you the cards. You will see the picture. You will see the sentence. That way you can see how well you did compared to the first time, yeah? Then the third round, you will do it all by yourself, okay? So are you ready? Yeah? Okay, good. Let's shadow. Let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Card number 1. I am Larry. I am Larry. I am Larry. I am happy to meet you. I am happy to meet you. I am happy to meet you. I am living in New York. I am living in New York. I am living in New York. I am having breakfast. I am having breakfast. I am having breakfast. I am listening to music. I am listening to music. I am listening to music. I am making dinner. I am making dinner. I am making dinner. I am going hiking. I am going hiking. I am going hiking. I am going to the park. I am going to the park. I am going to the park. Okay, you know these cards. Yes, we just watched the video. You know it. Okay, great. Now, let's shadow again. And this time, after we shadow, I will show you the card, and we can talk about how the purpose of using I am. Okay, here we go. Countdown 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I am Larry. I am Larry. I am Larry. I am Larry. Okay, we are expressing who we are. This person is Larry. I am happy to meet you. 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 Expressing our feelings. So we're happy. I am happy to meet you. I am living in New York. 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 Here we are expressing where we are. Where are you living? I am living in New York. I am having breakfast. I am having breakfast. I am having breakfast. I am having breakfast. So expressing what we are doing. What are you doing? I am having breakfast. I am listening to music. 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 Okay? Expressing what we are doing. What are you doing? I am listening to music. I am making dinner. I am making dinner. I am making dinner. I am making dinner. Okay, we're expressing what we are doing. What are you doing? I am making dinner. I am going hiking. I am going hiking. I am going hiking. I am going hiking. What are your plans? Express plans. What are your plans? Oh, I am going hiking. Right? What are your plans? I am going hiking. I am going to the park. 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 Expressing our plans. What are your plans? I am going to the park. Okay, good, good. All right, nice. That was 2 rounds. We shadowed the first round, you couldn't see the cards. Then the second round you could, and we talked about how we used I am. Okay, now round 3, you're going to do it by yourself. Yes, I have a card here. Yeah, and I'm going to cover up the sentences, so you have to say it all by yourself. Okay, so actually I will say the first time, and then you say it after me. Okay, I am Larry. I am Larry. Okay, good. I am happy to meet you. I am happy to meet you. I am living in New York. I am living in New York. I am having breakfast. I am having breakfast. I am listening to music. I am listening to music. I am making dinner. I am making dinner. I am going hiking. I am going hiking. I am going to the park. I am going to the park. Okay, yeah. Nicely done, everyone. Woo! Okay. Wow, we did a lot of practice with I am. Nicely done. I introduced you to the pattern. Yes. We watched the video and then we practiced the sentences. Well done. Very good. All right. If you enjoy my videos, if you enjoy my content, please consider joining the channel. That would be great. Help me so I can help you. Just hit the join button and there'll be a pop-down menu that shows you the different levels of membership. So I hope you will consider joining the channel to help me so I can help you. Okay, great. Also, I have a Patreon page. That's another way to support me and the channel. I have a website, markkulek.com, where you can download worksheets and flashcards that go with my videos. So that will really be a good help to you. And of course, please like, share, and subscribe. Yes, please like, share, and subscribe. And Thank you so much for all your kind support, and I will see you next time, all right, for another video of you and me practicing English. Okay, great, great. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.